Vatican City, the world's smallest country surrounded by another country, Italy. In fact, it is surrounded by the city Rome. Every day, an average 17,000 people visit Vatican City. Besides its spectacular art, iconic architecture, the country has so many other things to know. Hello everyone, my name is Ali and welcome to my channel Finding Places and More. Vatican City, which is also known as the Holy City, the home of Pope and the Christian world. Being the world's smallest country, it has some amazing and interesting facts. Let's explore it. Thank you. Vatican City State was established on 11th February 1929 when the Lateran Treaties between the Holy See and the State of Italy were signed. Comprising just over 100 acres, located on the right bank of Tiber River, it is the smallest country in the world and it is universally recognized under international law. It has 3.2 kilometers border within the city Rome. You can literally walk around the whole country within an hour. Vatican City is the only widely recognized independent country that has not become a member of the United Nations. It is famous for some of the world's most popular paintings and sculptures that exist in cultural sites such as St. Peter's Basilica and Vatican Palace. Nobody is born in Vatican City because there are no hospitals or facilities to cater to birth of children. All citizens are from other countries and most of them are religious workers and they are not allowed to get married or have children due to the religion. Thus, there are smaller numbers of human, probably 5 to 6%. This is by far the biggest disproportion in male-female population in any country. Vatican City is the least populated country in the world. Populations is just below 1,000. A good number of Vatican have diplomatic positions around the world. Italian, Swiss and many other nationalities from all over the world live here. Mostly Italian language is used as official language, but people here speak Latin, Italian, English, French, German, Spanish and Portuguese. Vatican City is the only country on earth to have the entire country belong to one single religion, Catholic. Due to Catholic Church's aversions to divorce, Vatican City, one of two nations in the world along with Philippines, not to have laws regarding or allowing for divorce. Italians, instead of paying taxes to the Italian government, they can donate 8% of their taxes to the Vatican City. This helps the Vatican City meet its expenses. Here we find the highest crime rate in the world, but this is just because tiny population and huge number of visitors. However, the crimes that happen in the city are of little importance and many of them remain unsolved. This tiny country does not have a working prison and has only one judge. Those who are convicted are simply marched to neighboring Italy. Vatican City also has the highest wine consumption rate per capita in the world. More than 10% of Vatican populations are soldiers, known officially as the Swiss Guard, the army of only 135 strong men. They wear a uniform that looks like it hasn't been changed since the Renaissance. But they do have modern military training. Since 1506, the Swiss Guard's role in Vatican City is strictly for protecting the safety of the Pope. In order to qualify as member of the Swiss Guard, recruits must be a Catholic, unmarried male, aged between 19 to 30, at least 5 feet 9 inch tall, with Swiss citizenship who has completed his basic Swiss army training. For the most part, you will see them manning checkpoints and partaking in ceremonies, and with bright blue, red, orange and yellow uniforms. Vatican City is a monarchy, which means the Pope is not only the leader of hundreds of millions of Catholics around the world, but also the ruler of the smallest country in the world. That way, Vatican City ranks alongside Saudi Arabia and Brunei as one of the last remaining absolute monarchies in the world. And that's the reason it cannot join the European Union. They only allow democracies. The monarchy in Vatican City is not hereditary and is ruled by elected Pope. Full legislative, judicial and executive authority reside with the Pope. The Pope's home is called the Apostolic Palace. If you want to see Pope when you are there, well, every Wednesday around 10:30 morning, he rides through St. Peter's Square and addresses the public in many languages, concluding with a blessing for people in the crowd. St. Peter's Basilica is the world's second largest Christian church after the Yamoussoukro Basilica in Ivory Coast. Built on the foundation of the first Pope, St. Peter, the new basilica took 120 years to complete. Masonry, sculpture, painting and mosaic work continued for nearly another 200 years. Visitors can climb the 551 steps to the top of the dome designed by Michelangelo, and from there one can get stunning view of the city and the St. Peter's Square. Beneath the basilica is a burial chamber. The tombs of many popes, including St. Peter, are located there. The Vatican Palace consists of several connected buildings with over 1,000 rooms. Within the palace, there are apartments, chapels, museums, meeting rooms, and government offices. Vatican Museum has collections contains everything from ancient Egyptian mummies to modern religious art by Vincent van Gogh and Pablo Picasso. Vatican Library, established in 1475, is notable for featuring the largest collections of Latin, Greek and Hebrew texts in the world. The Sistine Chapel was decorated by legends like Michelangelo, Raphael and many others, who continued for 60 years after construction was completed. Vatican City is likely the only nation on earth to have neither a hospital nor a prison. It is so small that it does not host any embassies within its area. On the other hand, the smallest country boasts with many of functions you would expect from a modern nation, including its own passports, telephone system, national anthem, license plates, internet domain, flag, and perhaps most surprising of all, a national football team. The economy is mainly supported by the tourism industry. It relies on the sale of postage stamps, tourist souvenirs, and the fees for entry to the museums and the sales of publications. ATM users in Vatican City are still given the options to use Latin to perform transactions. The Vatican Bank is the only one in the world to do so. The Vatican's own post office is popular among the Romans owing to its speed as compared to the Italian mail. They also issue their own stamps. Located in a tower inside the Vatican Gardens, the Vatican has a radio station that broadcasts in 20 different languages across the world. Italy has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than anywhere else in the world, but the Vatican is the only country to be entirely designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this, you may subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification when I upload a new video. Our world is amazing. I will continue to explore and share with you. Thank you.